Hello YouTube, and today I am going to show you how you can PokeGen, if you still know you could actually PokeGen, after Wi-Fi has been shut down. I know it's a bit late, but for this, you got to use well, I haven't got really a camera to show, but I've bought a DSi action replay, and also I bought a power saves along with it a while ago, but that's not what you use for it. Yeah, it's just the DSi action replay, and I'll just show you how to do it. So as you would make a PokeGen file, blah blah blah. So let me just get a PokeGen file when it's loaded up. Yeah, so let's do. What am I doing that? Let's go with a Guidable. So yeah, that's what he is. Blah blah blah. Ability. That page. That. That. And that. Then you'd go to Tools, Code Generator, select Pokemon, then you click Generate, and then you would highlight that entire code all the way down. What's it doing? And then you would copy it, and then once you installed DSi Action Replay, it would come up with this. If you do not have the disk, there will be on the back of the packet, which I can go get. Right, be right back a sec. I'm back. Right, if it doesn't come with it, I went to a website and it said, where does it say? It says www.codejunkies.com/action replay software. And once you type that in, it doesn't come up with like a website. It actually comes up with like the download, and it will like say, "Do you want to download this?" instead of the website. So and then I clicked it, and how do you say it? Just like downloaded, and then it came up with this screen, and that's what you get. So then once you've done that, you'd well obviously click your whatever country, European or US, and then let me find Pokemon Black 2. Pokemon Black 2 isn't on here. You can use Pokemon Black, White, or Black 2, White 2. But I took it from up here, the US up here, and dragged it down here. Well, look, there's already some I've already got there. Let me just delete that. No, my friends I was making for them. Get rid of this. Right. So then, add new cheat. Then name it as, what was it, a Guardable. How do you even spell it? Guardable. Is it really that simple? Oh god. Wow. There. And then you would Control V in cheat code and press OK. Because when we copied and pasted the code from the PokeGen, will transfer onto there, and then you'll have your code there. So the code you just made will have the exact file that you made. Then after that, you would insert your DSi into the like a lead it has, plus the Pokemon game that slot into the action replay, and then it'll search for it, and then it comes up with this screen. And then you'd go up to this file where it says, well, the file that it's actually in, like the total file, and then you drag it to there. And then it'll say, this game already says, do you want to overwrite it? Then you do yes. And then after that, you'd think, oh, it's done, but it's not. You would have to commit changes, and then that updates, and you have to give it a minute. And then there you go, safe to remove. So then you press OK, you would remove it, and then it's gone. And then you'd go onto your, well, I don't have like a video to show this, but you would go onto your like DSi. You would have to have a DSi or DS Lite to do this. XL, it doesn't matter, it's the same. And then you would put it in, and then when you look on the codes, it will just say Guardable there, which will not Guardable for you, but for me. And then you tick it, then you go into your game, and also, actually, I was missing one thing to tell you. When you go into Tools, you'd think, why isn't it in my PC? You see here, activation button. When you go into the game, you press this before, you would press one of these buttons before going into the PC. So mine would be select. I'd press select when I first go on the game, and then I'd go into my PC, and it will be there. And if it doesn't work for you, you would have to make sure that it has the right has the right abilities and moves, etc. And make sure it's 508 in total stat. I don't think it does 510 anymore in EV total. But yeah, that is for you, YouTube, of how to do PokeGen after Wi-Fi has been shut down. Goodbye, YouTube.